My name is Lasmarine and I'm a reporter for FTW News. I'm an insider on the Alliance. Today we'll be inside Stormwind, so you horties listen up. We're going on the inside. This is most of the time the dueling area. As you can see, it's just outside the Stormwind gates. We often duel here against... These are the Stormwind statues, just inside the gates. This is the human statue, and this is the plaque. This is basically the main street of Stormwind. It has your guild needs, your cheese needs, and your alchemy needs. Just up there is the auction house, where you find people dancing and buying auctions. No one ever bids anymore, because apparently that's not ruled. Most people hang out here, and it's very... This is just outside the Stormwind Bank and Auction House. This is the statue representing somebody nobody knows. People often dance up here, as this man is. And someone is also standing on the bank steps. People often use that mailbox to grab mail from the auction house, and that would be the end. I just got yelled at by a Stormwind guard, so I'm gonna have to let all you horties go. Next time, tune into what's the name? FTWH News. I'm Lasmarine reporting to you live. Goodbye!